Hi guys, Anand here. So in this video, I'm going to learn about the installation of TensorFlow. So TensorFlow, it's a open source library for machine intelligence by Google. So this is the official site of TensorFlow. There are other machine learning libraries also available, like deep learning for Java. So this is uh, DLF for Java. So this is for Java, and then like sick something like that. So anyway, never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the TensorFlow installation today. So this is the installation guide. So I'm gonna installing TensorFlow on my macOS. So there are four ways to install TensorFlow. Not ways, like a mechanism. So virtual environment, native PIP, Docker, and then installing from sources. But in their side, they are recommending to go with the virtual environment installation. So because it's isolated from other Python development, and it won't interfere, or being affected by other Python programs on the same machine. The native PIP might interfere with other Python programs, as well as it may be influenced by other Python-based installations on our machine. So that's the problem with native PIP. And Docker is completely isolates the installation from the pre-existing packages on my machine. But the problem is Docker image can be quite large, and if our application is a larger application architecture, then we can use the Docker. But this is simply for installation, so I'm not gonna going with the Docker. So I'm going with the virtual env. So these are the steps they have mentioned. So before that, we should install the Python. Um, by default in Linux machine, Python is already installed. So I'm gonna run this to sudo space easy underscore install pip command, and then you can see over here the best match is pip 9.0, and the Python version is 2.7 over here. And okay, so the Python 2.7. So you can see then we need to create the virtual environment by using the command. So I already created this one using this command. So virtual environment is already there in my machine. So please check your Python version, whether it's 2.7 or 3, using the Python space minus version command. So based on your Python version, follow the instructions. So since I already installed this particular command, so I already have the virtual environment. So I'm going to create a target directory for 2.7. So what I have to do here is give the virtual environment access to the global site packages. So system site packages give the virtual environment access to the global site packages. So we're gonna run this one. So I'm gonna copy the virtual env, and then dash dash system site packages, and then my target directory will be my home directory slash TensorFlow install something. Let's see what's gonna happen. Python is executing installing setup. Okay, cool. So this is got installed. So what I have to do, I need to activate the virtual environment by issuing one of the following commands. So if it's a bash or sh or ksh zsh, then we need to run this command. If it's other than this shell commands, then we need to run the .csh. Okay, so let me go inside the folder I created, TensorFlow installation, and then we can see the bin directory. Let me go into the bin, and then in the bin, let me run the activate command. Oh, cool. Oh, source activate. Okay, so you can see over here TensorFlow install has been activated. So yeah, the same like this. And then now we need to make sure our PIP is greater than 8.1. So let us run this command to make sure what is our PIP version. So easy underscore install minus capital U and then PIP. Processing not a recognized archive type PIP. I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, it's telling something. Okay, so if that's the case, all the packets required into actual upgrade TensorFlow. So let me run this command since I'm using Python 2.7. Collecting TensorFlow using cat's TensorFlow. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. Take some time. Please bear with me. Okay, so optional 6 is successful. So I think we don't need to run the option 7. That's optional. Okay, so we need to validate our, after installing TensorFlow, we need to validate our installation. So let me validate my installation by running these commands Python. Okay, so Python terminal got open. So import TensorFlow as TensorFlow. So this is the main thing we need to do to achieve anything. And then once we imported the TensorFlow as TF, then we can do whatever, like we are defining a constant over here, hello TensorFlow, and then assigning that hello TensorFlow to hello. And then we are creating a session for the TensorFlow. And then for the session, we are running session.run and then passing this value. So it's a simple Python program to check whether our TensorFlow is running or not. Let's see. Hooray! Our first Hello TensorFlow program worked well. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, and if you wish to comment, please comment. I'm so curious to learn about this TensorFlow for sure. Thank you very much, guys.